Happy birthday, Sleeping Beauty! So I made sure that I took this video in my laziest and sleepiest state in honor of your sleep patterns, and I also wore a lazy t-shirt in honor of your sleep patterns. But I'm not just going to be mean to you because it's your birthday. So I call you Sleeping Beauty. I'm so dramatic. So yeah, anyway, happy birthday, have a great day. I miss you. Come visit me in Perth soon. I love you. I need to see your pretty face. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi Shloki, happy birthday. I love you so much. Mwah. Take care and have fun. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shloka. Happy birthday to you. Whee! Hi Shloka, happy birthday. I hope you liked my unique, weird message. I miss you a lot and I love you a lot, and I am looking forward to see you again soon, and I hope it is soon. And I miss all our memories, and you're very close to my heart, and I just hope you have a wonderful birthday and a great year ahead. I know it's a lockdown going on, so you can't really enjoy maybe to the same extent you would think, but I know your family and friends are going to make it amazing for you. So I love you a lot and have the best birthday ever.
Dog, happy birthday. I want you to have the best birthday, the best year and the best life, because you deserve everything for the beautiful soul that you are, and I'm sure you know that I love you. I absolutely adore you for the person that you are, and I feel I'm so blessed to have you in my life. I miss you, but happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Shloka, many happy returns of the day. May you have a good year and a successful one.
See what we are doing for you.
Yeah, happy birthday, Shloka.
Happy birthday Shloka.
Wish you a healthy life.
Have a nice day
Have
and
a
a
nice-
beautiful year ahead.
Yo man.
Get
Happy
married,
birthday,
get
take
married
care.
soon.
Yeah, very soon. Chal bye.
देखो चांद आया चांद नजर आया. Hi guys, what's up?
Hey, what's up? Hi.
और ठक्कर कौन सा साल चल रहा है भाई अभी?
I think it's 2020.
No, it's Shloka's Monty.
तो अभी भी इतने खराब जोक मारता है यार, मुझे जरा भी हंसी नहीं आई, पता?
Sorry,
मेरा भी हंसी
sorry bro. Sorry. यार ये ठक्कर ये बलून किसके लिए लाया भाई तू? लगता है शायद मेरी बर्थडे के लिए. थैंक यू अभी. थैंक यू सो मच.
नहीं, आई एम सो सॉरी, ये तेरी बर्थडे के लिए नहीं है, ये श्लोका की बर्थडे के लिए मैं लाया हूँ. हैप्पी बर्थडे श्लोका. हैप्पी
मतलब मेरी बर्थडे के लिए कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं. ये सब डायलॉग नहीं डिसाइड हुआ था. अभी जो है वो चालू. ओके, हैप्पी.
इसके ओवर एक्टिंग के 500 रुपए काट. इसके ओवर एक्टिंग के 500 रुपए काट.
चलो, हैप्पी
बर्थडे श्लोका.
हैप्पी बर्थडे श्लोका. हैव अ गुड वन. मस्ती से एग्जाम पास करके एकदम जल्दी पहले आ जाना घूमने, फिर मिलते हैं शांति से. ओके, सी यू.
और एले जाके एले देना.
यार
चलो हैप्पी बर्थडे श्लोका. गॉड ब्लेस यू. बाय. हैप्पी बर्थडे. बाय.
बाय गाइस.
Happy birthday, Shloki! Happy birthday, Shloki Pie. So, I hope your face is all covered in cake, and I'm so happy that you're surrounded with the people that you love. You obviously don't need this video from me to know how much I love you and what you mean to me. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for letting me be a part of your life. Thank you for being my best friend and for allowing me to be me. And I love you. And I wish this year brings you a lot of success, a
lot of happiness and peace, very very good health, and closer to where you want to be in the future. And I love you.
So I just started learning the uke. This one's for you, Shloka. Happy birthday to you. You were born in a zoo with donkeys and kangaroos. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you from your old friends and you. Happy birthday, dear Shloka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi partner, happy birthday. Whenever I think of your birthday, I always remember your 18th birthday. It was the best and the memorable birthday. You know, I wish I would have been there. This is the first time I'm not going to be on your birthday together. But I hope you have a nice one. Happy birthday. Love you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये समथिंग, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. टाडा. I forgot the rest of the lyrics, but happy birthday item.
Hi Shloka, happy birthday. Cheers to your 27th year and cheers to growing up together and growing old together. I remember it was just 9 years back that we first met at the orientation, and you were definitely the first person I connected with in an instant. And you know, for me, I was vibing with this Mumbai chick who would understand my vibe, and you know, we probably would get along well because you know, we both are from metropolitan cities and we've met in this small town. But little did I know that I would be so fortunate to have you as my friend, supporting me through thick and thin even after 9 years. And I think that itself says a lot about our relationship and our friendship over these years. I'm so happy for you, and I'm really proud of how far you've come, and you're one of the strongest people I know. I know we've been there for each other, for our highest of highs and the lowest of lows, and I know we keep doing it for each other, and I know for sure that even in the future, if I need you, I can pick up the call and you'll be there for me. So I hope you have a lovely day, and I'm sending you all my love from LA, and I'm really hoping we can work our girls trip out to Vegas soon so that we can celebrate our day together. I love you so much, and I really, really, really miss you, and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi Shetty, what's up? Happy birthday. Hopefully पढ़ाई लिखाई चल रही होगी थोड़ी, एग्जाम आ रहे हैं. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्स. होपफुली पास होकर निकलेंगे अच्छे से. हार्वर्ड के दिन याद आ रहे हैं थोड़े. मस्त बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करते थे, एंजॉय रहता था. होपफुली कोविड खत्म होने बाद मिलते हैं कभी, चिल मारेंगे थोड़ा, रियूनियन टाइप का कुछ करते हैं. चलो, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, एंजॉय करो बर्थडे, ठीक है, और थोड़ा पढ़ाई लिखाई कर लेना. ओके, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, बाय.
Hey Mima, happy birthday. Excuse the length of my hair. I know बहुत बढ़ गया. बट पीछे में वो फ़ोन आया था सम कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ से. वो कह रहे थे अपना वो एक्सपायर हो गया, बोले क्या था अपना वो अपना एफिडेविट नहीं, अडॉप्शन सर्टिफिकेट
वो एक्सपायर हो गया, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आप मिलने आओगे तो वो वाला अडॉप्शन सर्टिफिकेट जो मैंने बनाया था वो लेते आना, अग्रीमेंट लेते आना. बाय, हैव फन.
Hello! Happy birthday to my senior, first of all, my friend, my guide, philosopher, and every good word possible. And my, let's have sub for today's lunch, no, partner. My, let's go have some waffles, I'm craving for it, partner. My, आज बहुत ही टायरिंग डे था. टुडे वाज फक्ड अप. लेट्स गो एंड सिट समवेयर एंड जस्ट chill, partner. So thank you for everything. So basically you are my everything there in Navi Mumbai and otherwise. Thank you for all the guidance right through pediatric dentistry to otherwise. Thank you for bearing with all the lame jokes I crack. I think you are the only person who laughs at it as if they are Oscar worthy jokes. Thank you for bearing all the tantrums, all the phases where we are like, okay, I'm fucked up. So thank you for everything. You're my boss lady. I love you. And I miss those bear hugs. So just meet me soon, Let's just meet and prepare for your exams. Sorry. Let's just do everything which we are missing for these 3-4 months. I'm looking forward to it. Have a blast. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day to the fullest. And I'm looking forward to see your pretty face as soon as possible. Bye.
Hi Shloka, happy quarantine birthday. Wish you a great happy birthday. Have loads of success and happy birthday once again, soon to be periodontist.
Hi Shloka, wishing you a very happy birthday. हैप्पी क्वारंटाइन बर्थडे. जैसे एग्जाम्स खत्म होंगे सब लोग की पार्टी पेंडिंग है. एक करके पार्टी लेनी पड़ेगी हर चीज की. निधि का बर्थडे गया, अभी तेरा बर्थडे जाएगा. होपफुली मेरे बर्थडे तक सब कुछ ऑलराइट हो जाना चाहिए, जिससे कि हम लोग फिर फाइनली पीरियोडोंटिस्ट होके एक साथ मजे करें और पार्टी करें.
And wait. There's one surprise for you from both of us to the tattoo queen. So here it is. Happy birthday. And have loads of more and more tattoos. And wait, one more surprise. Cheers with this lockdown turmeric milk. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Shloka.
What's up?
Hi Shloka.
Hi Shetty.
Hey.
Shloka! बार दिन ये आए, बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, Shloka. Happy birthday to you, Shetty. Happy birthday to you, Shloka. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Shloka. I love you.
Go. It's a birthday. We're gonna party like it's a birthday. Happy birthday, Chicky. We really tried to do something funny for you. I hope you like it. Have a nice day. I love you.
Hey, you little big girl. Wish you a very happy birthday. May you have a beautiful day and a beautiful year with many more beautiful years to come. what do I say about you? Childhood memories wouldn't have been better. Our wardrobes at one point couldn't have been trendier. Ups and downs, breakups couldn't have been easier, and life couldn't be even any better without you in it. So whatever I feel, like love, anger, irritation, whatever I feel with you, you will always be that special person who will always be the anchor to all the beautiful memories that I have had as a child. You've been that person who has given me a lot of my firsts. My first sister, my first toy, my first person to irritate, my first person to boss over, my first person to bully. You've been that first person always. So for the very different kind of relationship that we share, the funny, quirky, out of the box kind of of a relationship that we have. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. I know the lockdown has spoiled or hindered a lot of things that we could normally do on your birthday, but I'm sure we'll have a good time at home. And yeah, happy Doctor's Day, doctor. You are a doctor. तो dentist है फिर भी तो doctor है. And I love you a lot, and thanks for always being there as a support, as a backbone to all my cribby, cranky, ranting days. Thanks for being that beautiful friend I always need at any given point. I love you. Bye.